G'day, Daygo here, and today thought I might show you how to cook a Pavlova for Australia. Pizza! Righto, cooking time. It's about a six-pack. Six-pack of beer, 2 hours cooking time, and prep time, and should be right. We need 6 eggs, we need some good Australian CSR sugar, some cornflour, a bit of vinegar, and vanilla essence, and yeah, kicking. Alright, first thing we're going to need to do is crack a beer and preheat the oven to 150 degrees. So here's the tip: get your eggs out, get them out early, and get them up to room temperature. When they're at room temperature, they foam up better. Got your 6 eggs, and we just need to separate the yolks from the whites, and it's easy. Just pour it in and separate them. So now we just got to beat the eggs until soft peaks form. Once your soft peaks have formed, then you need to add 330 grams of caster sugar and add it slowly while it's mixing. Mix until it's nice and glossy, and give it a bit of a rub between your fingers and make sure there's no sugar crystals. And then she's ready. Now we just got to add cornflour, 1.5 teaspoons, vinegar, 1.5 teaspoons, and vanilla essence. Mix that up. Now with your mixture, put it in and mix it in well. So now we just get our baking paper and we spoon out our mixture onto it. Now you've got your desired shape, time to stick it in the oven. We'll whack it in here and it goes in for an hour and a half. Once we've got it in, knock the temperature back to 120 degrees. Sit back, have a couple of beers, because it's going to take a while. Piss up. Time to make the cream for our pave, and a good pave is always covered in good cream. So we're going to whip the cream, vanilla cream, so we get some cream, whack it in. Then we need some vanilla essence, about a teaspoon, and then a little bit of sugar. So all you got to do now is load with cream and your favourite toppings of fruit. There you go, finished product. Now if that doesn't get you a special cuddle on Australia Day, who knows what will. Cheers.